Who said that? And away we go.
Oh, it was Jackie Gleason.
Jack Gleason.
Away we go.
Let's give him a little Billy.
2, 3, 4. What's the matter with me? I don't have much to say. The daylight sneaking through the window. I'm still in this all-night cafe. Walking to and fro beneath the moon, out to where the trucks are rolling slow. Sit down on this bank of sand and watch the river flow. Wish I was back in the city instead of this old bank of sand. Sun beating down over the chimney tops, the one I love so close at hand. If I had wings and I could fly, I know where I would go. Right now I'll sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. People disagreeing on just about everything, makes you stop and wonder why. Just yesterday I saw somebody on the street who couldn't help but cry. This old river just keeps rolling on, no matter what gets in the way, which way the wind is blowing. As long as it does, I sit right here and watch the river flow. Everywhere you look, makes you want to stop and read a book. Just yesterday I saw somebody on the street, man, he was really shook. This old river just keeps rolling on, no matter what gets in the way, which way the wind is blowing. As long as it does, I sit right here and watch the river flow. I'm watching the river flow. I watch the river flow. I'm watching the river flow. Sit down on this bank of sand and watch the river flow. It's a little rough, but hey.
Well, it's been actually a few years since we played that. Well, since I played it with you.
That's one of those I have to practice a lot.
It's